Welcome back. Today we are talking about one of Buddy's favorite topics, food. Just like humans, dogs need a balanced diet to stay healthy. Most dogs eat something called kibble, which is dry, crunchy food. It contains proteins, fats, and vitamins. Some owners prefer wet food, which comes in cans. The most important thing is to choose high-quality food that matches the dog's age. For example, a puppy needs different nutrients than an adult dog like Buddy. Can dogs eat human food? Sometimes. Buddy loves plain boiled chicken and white rice. These are safe and easy to digest. However, many human foods are extremely toxic. That means they are like poison for dogs. You must never give a dog chocolate, grapes, raisins, onions, or garlic. Even a small amount can make them very sick. If you want to give your dog a treat, stick to safe options, like small pieces of carrot or apple, but remove the seeds first. Consistency is key. I feed Buddy twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening. This helps regulate his metabolism and keeps his energy levels stable. Also, dogs must always have access to fresh, clean water. We call this staying hydrated. Especially after a long walk or on a hot day, Buddy drinks a lot of water. If your dog stops drinking water, it might be a sign that they need to see a doctor. Let's expand our vocabulary. Nutrients, the substances in food that help the body grow, like protein. Toxic, something poisonous or very dangerous to eat. Digest, the process of the stomach breaking down food. Reward, something given in return for good behavior. I use treats as a reward when Buddy obeys a command. Remember, a healthy dog is a happy dog. Managing what they eat is a huge responsibility. Feeding your pet correctly is the best way to show them love. What does your pet eat? Do you cook for them, or do they have a favorite brand of kibble? Let me know in the comments. In our next episode, we will visit the veterinarian to learn about health checkups and vaccines. Thank you for watching, and keep practicing. Goodbye!